Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Chevron detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Chevron, start by conducting thorough research on the company. Familiarize yourself with Chevron's business model and operational sectors. Analyze their financial health by reviewing their recent earnings reports and balance sheets. Keep an eye on industry trends and how they may impact Chevron's performance. Determine your investment goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. Assess your risk tolerance to know how much you can afford to invest. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online trading platform that offers support for stock purchases. Fund your brokerage account by linking it to your bank account. Decide how many shares of Chevron you wish to purchase. Check the current stock price for Chevron to time your purchase effectively. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price. Alternatively, consider a limit order to buy at a specific price point. After the purchase, monitor the stock's performance regularly. Stay updated on Chevron's quarterly earnings announcements and news releases. Evaluate your investment periodically to decide if you need to make adjustments. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personal. Finally, stay informed about the broader economic impacts on the oil and gas industry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.